Guys, welcome back to Oddly Trending. Here we share the latest airdrops, crypto opportunities, and testnet guides to help you earn your first dollars in crypto for free. Today we'll be looking at the Mango Network airdrop guide. So let's get started. Before you start this video, please click the link in the description to add the Mango wallet to your browser. Mango wallet. So that's the first thing I did. I've added the Mango wallet to my browser, even though I have not set it up yet. So when you click on the link to take you to the Mango Network website and click on connect, it will prompt you. You select your Mango wallet. Then now I'm just setting it up. It's straightforward. You set up your password. You re-enter the password, and then you click on the auto lock after I'm inactive for, let's say, 1 hour. That's good enough. So just click on that, then click on I read and agree to the terms of service, and click that. So you can see recovery phrase. You can copy that and save that in a safe place. So I clicked on get MGO faucet. So now I can click on connect wallet. After I've set up my Mango wallet, so I click on connect wallet. You can see connect. That is done. So sign. Very straightforward. You can also do this on mobile by using their Bing Dex mobile app. That's like their mobile version of the wallet, of the Mango wallet. So the next thing to do is to just complete the task on the dashboard. Connect your X account. So that's the step. You click on that, then you follow Mango Network. So let's go. What is Mango Network? Mango Network is basically a layer 1 blockchain platform that combines EVM and MoveVM compatibility to address challenges in Web3 applications. So that is what they claim. And Mango Network has allocated 10% of its total token supply for airdrop distribution, covering both testnet and mainnet activities. So the project is currently on its testnet phase, with the token generation event planned for first quarter of 2025. So you can earn points through various activities, including the daily task, platform interactions, and referrals. And the points will factor into the final airdrop allocation with maybe additional benefits. And this is actually promising. It's looking promising. So let me continue with explaining what is going on in the video. I'm trying to join their Discord channel. If you've been airdrop hunting with me from day one, if you're an OG, then you understand that Discord is very important. Make sure you have a Discord account. It's very easy to create a Discord account. Just follow what I'm doing on screen. Click the link, takes you to Discord. Then you join the channel from the waiting room. Agree to the rules. Then click on verify. After you click on verify, just very simple. Click on continue. Then continue again. Then let's just verify the captcha. Just type out everything that is traced with a line. Very simple. TNKPEY. I'm in. You can see. Now you can see all other channels. You can see the MGO faucet, ETH faucet, everything. So I just want to check up on all the rows that they have, or the Mango guide. You can see the rows. I'll just click on that I've read that. Also see claim your rows. Just explore their Discord server. You can chat, you can ask questions about the testnet there. You can get the faucet there. You can see the latest announcements. So what I'll just advise is, once you're a member of the Discord channel, make sure at least maybe once a day you check the Discord channel for the latest announcement, because that is where the announcement are going to be on their X page. So as a newbie, you click on newbie. So this is the newbie chat. I'm just gonna say what's up. You know, I'm gonna chat with them, but let's go ahead with this video. So I've joined the Discord community. I followed on Twitter. I have added my wallet. Next thing is to join the Telegram group to engage with the members. Then I'm also gonna need to input referral code. So my referral code is in the description of this video. Kindly use it, because without a valid referral code you won't be able to join. So it's for the Telegram task. You click on it, you log in as your Telegram account. My Telegram account is already connected to this browser. If yours is not connected, it will prompt you to verify on your Telegram account. It will probably send an OTP from Telegram to you. That will be done. Once that is done, it's added. So what it's gonna take you to is just the Telegram group. So you join the group, you can chat in the group, doing some activity if you like, but you'll see I've joined the Telegram group. It's already grayed out, I can't click on it anymore. Next thing is the referral code. So you can see I'm using somebody else's referral code. So now I'll just use my referral code and join. Now you can click on subscribe now. After you've got into the dashboard, you can see you're on the dashboard. Total score, you can see number of guests as people are referred, the limit, stay tuned. You can see sign in now. So basically you click on sign in, then you accept or you confirm in your wallet. So make sure you sign in every day. You click on approve. So please sign in the next day. So I've signed in today, sign in the next day. So you can see the task. All these tasks, you have to do them every day. This gives you some points. You can see the first one, Mango Swap, 3 points per day, Bridge, 10 points per day, Bindex Data Better App, 10 points per day, the other Bindex Swap, 15 points per day. So you can see the first thing is the Discord, that's 5 points per day. So the Discord is basically you chat the Discord bot, that is for the faucet that will send you the Mango token. So you see, you go to the Discord channel, you go to MGO faucet, you click, you type at MGL faucet. You can see it on the screen. At, let me type again, MGO. You can see, you click on it as MGO faucet. You can see how it is highlighted in your chat. So you go to your Mango wallet, you click on that copy icon, you see address copied, then you go back to Discord and you paste it. That's just it. And click on enter. So you can see it's done. That is how you get the faucet. So you're expected to do this every day. That gives you 5 points. So I'm also checking the other faucet for ETH Testnet tokens. Those are external links. For BSC faucet, that's also an external link where you can get test tokens for ETH and BNB. So let's go back. Let's move. So all I'm just doing is just exploring, just checking things out. But the channel is actually interesting. Because I noticed I got some DM, but I'm just gonna ignore it. So you can see completed. So you can just see it's completed. If it's not completed, just click on it where completed should be showing, and it will show synchronizing. So it's completed. So the Discord is completed as an extra 5 points. We'll go ahead and do the Mango swap. You click on that. That should earn 3 points per day. Then earn 5 extra points for 5 consecutive days. So each of these tasks, if you do them consecutively, let's say day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, on the 5th day you get an extra 5 points. So on the 5th day of doing it consecutively, So for the swap, click on connect. We connect our Mango wallet. Click on connect. So you can do this also with the Bing Dex mobile app. I'm going to show you that. You can add that. So let's do the swap. We are supposed to swap from MGO to USDT. Then we swap from USDT to MAI. Then from MAI back to USDT. So you can see the Mango wallet. All you need to do is click on approve. So we're swapping 0.01 MGO to USDT. That is done. It has been approved. It's done. So what we're going to do is swap from MGO to MAI. But yeah, it's not important for you to swap from MGO to MAI. You're supposed to swap from MGO to USDT, USDT to MAI, then MAI back to USDT. I'm just doing this to just, have more transactions. So I'm just testing out, okay, if there are any issues, so I can just make the complaints on the Discord server. You can see MGO to USDT, USDT back to MAI, then exchange the MAI to USDT. So that's just it. That's all I'm doing. I'm just testing. I'm going beyond the scope just to see if if the application throws up an error that I could just tell the developers about that. Oh, there's this error if I try to swap from MGO to MAI. You guys need to fix that. It is what it is, but let's just go ahead with the video so that we can be done with this video. As you can see, you earn points by completing the task. The task are everyday task, so you can just stack your points. You can refer people also. You can refer your friends, refer your loved ones, refer your colleagues, refer everybody to this. This can be easily done. It is basically straightforward. Even a 5-year-old can do this. Okay, anyways, we've done all this. Let's go back. You can see what I said earlier on. We have to refresh and synchronize. Now, if you click on refresh and synchronize, it will probably be showing something like try again later. So I like to click on those submit buttons. So when you click on each of them, it shows synchronizing. Then once it's done, it will be beautiful. You can see to completed. So completed. Okay, this one is the synchron. Oh, now it's completed. That's beautiful. So that one is done. I'll earn my 3 points. I'm happy. Yeah. Next is Mango Bridge. In order to do this, you're gonna need all the Testnet tokens. So you will need the MGO for Mango Test Network. You're going to need the ETH for ETH Test Network. You're going to need the BSC for BSC Test Network. So you can get all of those external networks from their Discord channel. ETH faucet that you saw earlier on, and BNB faucet that you saw earlier on. For the purposes of this video and the wallet I'm using, I'm not gonna complete this, but I'm also going to tell you how to complete it, because I'm sure I'm going to complete this off screen. So you can see you select the assets that you want to swap from. So since I'm starting with Mango to ETH, so you select network Mango, then you select network BSC. So you can see, you can click the link to get your BSC testnet faucet, but you can see you need to have 0.01 0.002 BNB on your BSC mainnet. So that's like, I don't know, but that's around $1. If you have $1 of BNB, you should be able to get the faucet for this my test MetaMask wallet. I don't have 0.001 BNB on it, but trust me, my main wallet, I've done that. So just make sure you have at least 0.002 BNB, so you'll be able to get the faucet. Because if I click on the MetaMask and click on connect, so you can see MGO Mango wallet is connected, then the MetaMask is connected, but I wouldn't be able to get this. When you click on the wallet address and you click on send 0.03 BNB. Now you can use another wallet. You don't have to use MetaMask wallet. You can use the BNB Smart Wallet. It's also an extension that you can use. You can see insufficient BNB on BSC. Mainnet requires 0.002. So it's not going to work for me, at least in this video. But you get the idea of how to do this. You select network, Mango. You select the asset, USDT on Mango Test Network. Input the amount. You go to where you want to swap to, and you do that. Now, for some reason, that task is completed, even though I didn't do it, which is weird. The other one, Mango to ETH. No, Mango to BSC, I actually did it, okay? Because the task, that was one way. So I was able to swap from NGO to USDT on BNB network, but I wouldn't be able to swap back now from other networks to Mango because I didn't get the faucet. For the ETH, it might be easier actually, because I always, even in this test wallet, I think I would have some test tokens. So just get the test tokens to that. For the Bing Dex app, just download the app, connect your wallet, import your wallet seed phrase, like the Mango wallet that you just did for your Chrome browser. Move that into the mobile browser, Bing Dex mobile app, Bing Dex Beta, that's what it's called. It's available on iOS and Android. Use that. That will even be better for completing basically all the tasks. So you'll be able to complete all the tasks and get all the points. All you need to do is rinse, repeat. Make sure you do the daily task every day, so you can keep on stacking these points for this massive potential airdrop. Now we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. As always, like this video, share this video with your friends, family, co-workers, subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. And I'd like to hear your thoughts about this. If you have any questions, if you need guidance, please comment in this video. I'd love to hear your feedback. And I'll see you in the next video.